right, just had the gas hot water combi boiler installed today. Wow. They're not done, they're coming back tomorrow, but got a nice little setup going here. That was my electric. They did the wall over there. Well, they went way over. I wasn't sure if they were going to go here. Guess they decided to go here, which is fine. I wonder if I should seal that up, as I had the mouse problem. Probably should. This thing's gonna be nice. Look at that. It's probably $1,000 right there. Copper, baby, copper. Very nice. I want to take my shop back. I think it's running right now. It's so quiet. Oh, a drain leak. That's new. Oh, what'd you do? Did you lean on my pipe? Did you crack my pipe, you sons of bitches? Oh shit, I hope it's that. Or actually, it's not the plastic drain or pipes they just did, is it? I hope it thinks it's a drain. Hey, shit happens. It's an old house. Oh yeah, this thing's running. It's quiet. I just had the hot water on. Man, that came out pretty. They do pretty work. That looks nice. Condensation drain. That gets pumped. Where does that have to go? Do they pump it? Does it go outside, I assume? Or no, that's... Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, it goes outside. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fill those voids in for rat work. Oh, they went through my work I already did. That's funny. And what's that? That's the pipe that was there for... Oh, they left me some copper. Nice. That's big money. Cha-ching! All right, let's see what's leaking. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that spider right there caused the leak. Oh, this is old and cracked. What? Is there a hole? Get the Why is there a hole right in the top of the frickin' pipe? Sewer gas leaking out. Oh my God. I bet they didn't even see that. But they were up here doing this. I'm sure all they had to do was touch this thing and I'm sure it started leaking. What the? Yeah, it fucking stinks. All right, so now they're gonna want to come back, cut this out, cut that out. This is probably newer, I thought, because it was painted and this was the original stuff. So got the plumbers here, get rid of that cracked sewer pipe. Here's the victim. Pretty thick stuff. This is the one that was rotten through. Looking old. This is where somebody cut. ALA Pipe Co. 4 by 13 pounds per foot. This is I just smashed it with a hammer and it's already, there's a hole right through it. And that's where I was leaking. Oh, that's old steam pipe. This is the... Thick stuff.
Oh, here we go, next one.
What? You have that pipe behind you, should just be cut.
Oh yeah. And here's that sewer pipe completely installed. They did this. Actually, I had them tie in the washing machine a different way because it was actually back feeding up to my shower when the washing machine would dump. So yeah, that's where the crack was. But yeah, so they got a whole new tie-in for everything. Came out great. I like it. This crazy slope over here, but the way it is. All right.